Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. We all understand that what is going on between Amazon and Reliance, not only as far as the future group is concerned, but as far as the e-commerce war is concerned. And the helping hand for Reliance is now definitely the WhatsApp Pay. And WhatsApp Pay to me is really a trump card for Reliance in the upcoming time because of the firepower of WhatsApp. WhatsApp is owned by Facebook, and Facebook is a cash rich company. And we should not forget that Facebook, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Apple, they are the leading recipient of the digital advertisement in the globe. And of course, they offer a lot of value in their products. There is no doubt about that. People only see the digital recipient, but people do not see the value. But I see value. And now there is a fresh news which is coming, which is that, first of all, the history is that in November 2016, Future Retail acquired Heritage Foods, and it's a stock deal. So M&A happens generally two ways. One is the stock deal and one is the cash deal, and sometimes mix of that. So it is a stock deal whereby Future Retail offers around 3.65% of the stake in the company by acquiring Heritage Food. No comments whether the deal was synergized or not. Now the deal was synergized or not, it means that whether the deal helped Future Retail or not, that's a separate thing. You know the answer. Now there is a news which is coming that precisely 4 years from that deal, because the deal happened in November 2016 and now we are December 2020, precisely 4 years from deal, Heritage Food quitted Reliance Retail and they sold almost 3% of their stake in around 132 crores. Now, first of all, I do not know whether the sell done by Heritage Food is profit in nature or loss in nature. That is really difficult to tell because in a stock M&A, you will allocate it a value. Example, today I buy, Treasury Consulting buy a company and we offer a stock. There is a value to that stock. Now, if after 4 years someone sells that stock and the company valuation grew, so ultimately he get a profit. And if the company valuation down, then he will get the loss. So in November 2016, when the deal happened, what was the valuation offered and what is the valuation now? The difference is the profit and loss. Many intelligent and Einstein Edisons and all, they're saying that this is a notional gain and loss. No, guys, this is not a notional gain and loss. This is a real gain and loss you need to put in the books. So how much is the gain and loss? We really do not know. But Heritage Foods quitting of Reliance Retail is really not a setback, but I see this from a different angle. We all understand that where Reliance Retail is currently trading. At least Treasury Consulting prop desk is not going to buy Reliance Retail soon, Future Retail soon. If Heritage Foods quitted, maybe in future more partners will quit. This may add up pressure on the Future Retail. Definitely add a pressure on the Future Retail, and share price, who is already down a bit, it will come down more, and this will trigger a buying spree in the Future Retail. But one important thing is that the arbitration judgment is currently sub judice, and in case of arbitration judgments it takes time. So do not expect the arbitration judgment to come on overnight basis, and the decisive factor would be whether the judgment comes in the favor of Amazon or it will come in the favor of Reliance. And more importantly, it is not the favor and loss, whether any of the parties who would be winning the judgment, they would be who would be losing the judgment, either party, they would be contesting this in the higher courts. That's more important, because if they go ahead to contest, then it means that there is definitely more time span which you need. But as of now, the news is that the Future Retail is really down. We understand the reason. Arbitration proceedings are going on, which is always a time consuming exercise. Singapore is currently in the favor of Amazon, and Amazon is contesting this in the Indian courts. Either party who will lose, maybe they can go ahead for higher courts, they might not go ahead with higher courts, we really do not know as of now. And last but not the least, these kind of sellings, by example now Heritage Food, will add more pressure on the Future Group. Maybe if not on Future Group, then all entities of the Future Group. So keep a very close eye, guys, because I know that there are many retail investors we have in the globe, those who only go by the Hindi media. And Hindi media is always having a special target. So guys, have some research. Research is really very important thing which you need to follow. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818485155. Have a great time. Thank you.